Hey everybody, it's time of the day for Silly Songs with Adam. That part of the day where Adam sings a silly song. And I brought one of our favorite friends with us. It's me, Petrie! Hi, Petrie. Thanks for joining us. All right, what song do you want to sing for the kids today? Oh, I have a favorite! You do? Can you tell us? Tell the kids. Old McDonald had a farm. Okay, Old McDonald. Let's get it started. Can we do it together? Yep, you can do that. When you sing with two people, it's called a duet. Oh, a duet. Okay, well let's do it. I get it. We'll do it. The duet. All right, here we go. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on that farm he had a duck, E-I-E-I-O, with a quack quack here and a quack quack there. Here a quack, there a quack, everywhere a quack quack. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Again! Okay. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on that farm he had a cow! Okay, a cow. E-I-E-I-O, with a moo moo here and a moo 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 there. Here a moo, there a moo, everywhere a moo moo. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. One more time. Okay. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a turkey. A what? A turkey. Okay. E-I-E-I-O. With a gobble gobble here and a gobble gobble there. Here a gobble, there a gobble, everywhere a gobble gobble. Everywhere gobble gobble, old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. You did it, yay! And you can pick your own favorite animal to add in anytime you want to. You can do a goat, a sheep, bah, or even a frog. Ribbit? Yep, those are all different animals. You can do those anytime you like. Thank you for a wonderful time today. Bye, kids!